years old. He's riding a 254 front Honda. Give him away, this is going fast, help him out. Next off. Next off. We've got Josh Grimrod. Josh Grimrod is there on his T-stroke 250 Yamaha. He's a local lad, 24 years old. We've got John Elliott. John Elliott down on the 350 Honda. One of the big engines, Carnage on the Penryn Mountains on that. Behind him we've got Tony Bailey. Tony Bailey is here, he will show you some of his stunts. Behind him we've got Stephen Fly in the Daihatsu G. Next up in the fastest monster truck, we have got Glenn Wise in Team X3. He is very loud and very powerful in Team X3. Behind him we have Mad Barky and Lil Devil. Mad Barky here in his own monster truck. Going to show you what to do. We had a few mechanical issues when he gets there. We had a tyre come off the rim. Today we've been on a new tyre. We are ready to go. Each tyre costs £2,000. But if I have to buy a tyre today, cut all the tread off the tyre, just as a little bit. The hose is grip apparently. Apparently you get new tyres and take all the grip off.